Hello, son. Hello, baby boy. It's me again. Today is the 19th of June, 19 June 2025. I'm here in a workshop right now. Looking outside the garden. Yeah. So, how am I? Well, I'm good. I'm keeping myself busy. I want to do money. I want to make money for. Wait. You see the ceiling fan? You really liked it when you were here. Yeah. You were very excited about the ceiling fan. You really. I showed you the remote control. And you were very, I owned it and you really liked it. You were very happy. Wait. Whoa. Ceiling fan. Yeah. So yeah, I'm good. I'm okay. I work. I want to make money, so I keep myself busy. I want to make money for the future, for you and for mom, and of course for me as well. So I'm good. I'm keeping myself busy. I'm doing avocado as I showed you before. I can show you again. You see? Wait. It's made out of avocado seed. So I'm selling this. I'm producing. I'm selling this, and I'm an electrician as well. I do electricity. So yeah, I'm making money. But I do miss you. I still haven't. I'm still not used to be without you and to be without mom. Well, I do love mom, but when you become older, you will understand. But for mom and me, it was really impossible to be together. However, that's life. So yes, I'm okay. I'm good. As I said, I'm working. I'm making money, and I told you before I was sick. I was ill. I had fever, and I had back problems in the lower part. So I was like 3 weeks now, pretty much out of order. But now I'm okay. I'm doing things. I'm doing gardening. Right now I do washing. Yeah. So yes, son, I do love you. I do love you very much. See you next time.